In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to change or switch your debit card on the Zelle app. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Next, access the settings by locating and tapping on the settings option within the app. This is typically represented by a gear or gear shift icon and can be found in the top right or bottom navigation menu. Within the settings menu, look for an option such as bank accounts or payment methods and tap on it to access your linked bank accounts. Review the existing debit cards in the bank accounts or payment methods section. Locate the debit card you want to change or switch and select the option to remove it from your Zelle account. This step may require confirming your identity or entering a verification code. After removing the existing debit card, select the option to add a new payment method or bank account. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for your new debit card, such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, and associated bank details. Once you've entered the necessary information, save the changes. And there you have it. Your debit card on Zelle has been successfully changed or switched. Thank you for watching.